Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to Mocha's World. So I've just purchased this package of Yerba Mate Green Organic Tea from Amazon. It's loose tea, 200 grams. I'm sure it's been around forever, but I've been hearing a lot about it recently. So I thought I would give it a try. Typically, Yerba Mate is brewed in vessels called matero or a calabash gourd. It can also be done in a French press, which I also don't have. So I'm going to brew it in a regular teapot and drink it in a regular teacup. So it says here, Yerba Mate, a South American plant. First, it was used by Guarani Indians to reduce hunger, tiredness, and clear the mind. So this is definitely what I need. I'm going to just open it now. Okay, I'm going to just smell it. It's very pungent, very strong, loose teas. Okay, so let's bring this back here. So I'm going to put some in this teapot here, straight into the water. I'll put about a tablespoon. And I'm going to allow it to steep for about 10 minutes. Some of the health benefits associated with Yerba Mate tea: it provides antioxidants, it boosts energy, it improves mental focus, enhances physical performance, it protects against infection, regulates blood sugar, prevents heart disease, and promotes weight loss. So it has a wide selection of health benefits. So it's been 10 minutes, so I'm going to pour the tea. I have my mug here. I have a little strainer, and hopefully this will be enough to trap the leaves. So it did trap some of the leaves, not all, but as I am not a very finicky person when it comes to teas, I don't mind it. It has a few leaves trapped at the bottom, and I'm sure they'll sink. So let's give it a taste. My very first time trying it. I might have not put enough in there, but the flavor, it just tastes like any strong herbal tea. Has a slightly bitter flavor. And as you can see, the color is a little bit like, it would look like a green tea because the leaves are green here. So I find it refreshing. So I will definitely be drinking a cup of this every day, and I will try it for about maybe 30 days and see if I notice any difference. If I notice anything along the way to that 30 days, then I'll record that as well. So today and most days, I just brew it using a stainless steel tea sieve ball. Okay guys, so it's been over 30 days since I've been using the Yerba Mate organic tea, and I just made myself another cup of it. What I did was, after brewing a cup, I would just place this into another cup of boiling hot water and let that steep for however long, even overnight in some cases. And then I would just drink it the next day. So you get quite a good amount of usage out of the tea leaves. And then once I'm done with the tea leaves, I would just incorporate them into my incense mix. So check out my video on how I make incense cones using used teas. So here are my opinions. So after the very first time that I drank it, I noticed that later that day, when usually in the afternoon I would normally feel fatigued after doing whatever I normally do, I just felt more energetic. So I definitely noticed a difference with the tea as far as my energy levels. I did take it consistently for about 2.5, 3 weeks, and then had interruptions for various reasons. I did notice a few headaches here and there, but I'm not sure that it's tea related. It could be, I don't know. But for the most part, I would say it is a great addition to my dietary supplements. I do recommend it, but I do suggest before purchasing it that you consult with your healthcare professional to make sure that this is suitable for you. Of course, everybody's body is different. Your body may react differently than my body did, but I definitely love it. I am a tea lover, so it was easy for me to appreciate it. And with all the added benefits, I definitely recommend it. And this brand seems to be very good quality, tastes good. You may want to ease into it. I just went, fully into it with a full amount, but you may want to start gradually, especially if you're not a regular tea drinker. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. If you're interested in purchasing it, I have the link included in the description section below the video. And if you do purchase it, let me know in the comment section how it worked for you. So have a great day. Cheers to your good health, and thanks for watching.